So just imagine you're sitting home and you've got a piece of chicken breast at home and you're wondering, what on earth am I going to do with this? Well, I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate chicken club sandwich. So stick with me as I walk you through the process. Wagwan, beautiful people.
What's up, guys?
Welcome once again to another episode of Cooking with Nino. So here we are with this piece of chicken breast that we're about to work into a chicken club sandwich. First thing we want to do is get our chicken breast. We want to cut it into slices. Okay, cut it to nice thin slices, and then you want to get yourself a piece of cellophane or saran wrap. We're going to lay down a piece of saran on the bottom. We're going to place your chicken breast on top of that saran wrap, and then we're going to put another layer on top of that. Just going to tenderize it so lightly just to get it spread out and tenderized. Right after that, we're going to add some flavoring. We're going to be using our Maggi. Now, in this case, we're using a Maggi chicken flavor. We're going to sprinkle that all over it because, you know, your chicken sandwich got to be well seasoned in order for the flavor to kind of get through it and nice it up into the ultimate. Mind you, if you don't have Maggi chicken flavor, you can use whatever flavor that you prefer. Whatever ingredients you like, salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, you know, you get the idea. Then from there, we're going to be doing our dredging and our breading. Now, in order to do that, you're going to need to have some flour, some egg wash, and some breadcrumbs. Now, those have to be in 3 separate compartments. You can also season the flour as well as the breadcrumbs with some of that flavoring agent, Maggi or salt and pepper, whatever it is that you have that you prefer. Then you're going to be patting the items in the flour. The chicken breast gets patted in the flour. Move it on over to the egg wash. You're going to dredge it into the egg wash. Get some egg wash all over it. Then you're going to move it all over to the breadcrumbs. Sprinkle a little bit more breadcrumbs on top and just pat away at it. This way the breadcrumbs stick directly to the chicken. And now you're ready for the next step. Now, in order for us to call this an ultimate club, we've got to have bacon. Because you know the rule, bacon makes everything taste better. Once we get our bacon all fried, then we're going to get our oil ready and we're going to get our chicken breast fried golden brown, submerged into the oil. It will only take you a few minutes. Once you get the chicken breast all golden brown, just remove, put on a rack just to cool for a bit, and then we can start the assembling process. Get our tomatoes all sliced, get our lettuce all ready, and now we're ready to assemble. But before we start assembling, we might want to put a little squirt of mayonnaise on our bread. This is going to make it and bring it to the next level. Mayonnaise on the bread, we get it all set up. Spread the mayonnaise out equally to ensure that every single bite is going to have a taste and a flavor of the ultimate. Then you get your chicken breast and you're just going to lay that on top of your bread. You're going to add to that your bacon. As you know, bacon is going to kick it up a notch. Then we're going to add our tomatoes. You can put 2 slices, 3 slices. It's all up to you. Once you get that on there, you're going to get some lettuce on there. This thing is building into a masterpiece. And mind you, you can use regular bread, whereas you can use 3 slices of bread and make a triple layer. In this case, we're using a lovely Italian bun. We get it all together, give it a nice little slice, lay it on the plate, just showing all those beautiful ingredients on the inside. And now we are ready. We are ready to consume that delicious ultimate club sandwich. Look at that work of art.